Richard too with the Post newspaper. Mike, a quick question for you. Last time we were here, we talked about amateur radio and your interest in that, and it's a very good answer you gave me at that time. I'm curious, in the time that you were up there this time, were you able to participate in any events related to amateur radio, and were any of the experiments RF based that you
Yeah,
worked on?
yeah. So I was super excited and still am with amateur radio. What was what was interesting and what I was really proud of is that all my crewmates participated with our school outreach, and we salute the ARISS team for sharing space flight with people all over the world. I think I talked to a school in Africa. I think you had one in Japan and South America, or were
Yeah, South America, Central America.
yeah.
I had one contact with a research ship that I worked on briefly, which was really special.
Yeah.
That was very cool.
And we didn't. I personally let myself down a little bit and not having too many random QSOs out there. But we did reach out and have a chance to talk to people across the planet in whatever language, because that was a fun thing. There were some neat experiments also, especially on Russian side, and with some extra video, and we were definitely used. I guess there was some TV side on in Columbus module. I will say. Just looking back at it, my first experience with amateur radio, it was all in the service module. We could actually look down through the windows of service module and kind of see where we were talking with. And Columbus doesn't have a window, so it was a little harder to imagine. So we put up a world map, and you could see where you're getting into range and out of range. But also you can just imagine what it must be like at some of these places that we could talk with. And I think if we had that extra month or so that we came, I would have liked to think that that version of me would have reached out on the radio and talked a little bit more. Maybe next time.